Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Some of them are really surprising, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
If you're used to cooking everything in olive oil, you may be doing more harm than good. Although olive oil is good for your health in moderation, cooking everything in it can in fact be negative for your health. When you cook with olive oil, the heat can cause the oil to break down and release harmful compounds into your food. These compounds can harm your cells, amplify inflammation, and raise your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. There are countless health benefits associated with eating fruit, and one of the most useful fruits is the olive. Olives are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins that can boost your health in different ways. Olives contain healthy fats that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. The antioxidants in olives can help protect against cell damage and decrease the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Baseball can help to improve your cardiovascular health. This is because the sport requires you to run back and forth across the field, which gets your heart rate up and helps to get your blood pumping. In addition, baseball can also help to strengthen your muscles and improve your coordination. Of course, it's important to remember that like with any sport, there is always a risk of injury. But as long as you take the necessary precautions and warm up properly before playing, you'll be less likely to experience any problems. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health, why not give baseball a try? If you're struggling to sleep at night, it might help to clear your mind before bed. Relaxing and focusing on good thoughts can help you sleep better and improve your overall health. To clear your mind, start by spending a few minutes each evening writing down what's been bothering you. Once you've got it all out, try to let go of those thoughts and focus on something favorable. Maybe it's something you're looking forward to, or a memory that makes you happy.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.